AirPods Pro 3 use Apple's Find My network with Left Behind alerts that notify you via iPhone if you leave your AirPods behind. This relies on geofencing and Bluetooth proximity detection. If you're experiencing issues like false alerts, delays, or no alerts, here's what to do. First, ensure you are running iOS 18.2 or later, as Apple released updates to fix initial bugs. A common fix is to reset network settings and update your iOS or firmware. Toggle Bluetooth off and on. Ensure location services are enabled for Find My and that you are signed into iCloud with Find My activated. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, consider that crowded areas or rapid movement can cause delays in Left Behind alerts. Apple is using AI to improve alert accuracy in iOS 18.3, which reduces false alerts by learning user habits. Ensure geofencing radii are appropriately set for your frequent locations. Stay tuned for future features like augmented reality-based recovery hints, which may arrive with Apple Vision Pro. Also, ensure your firmware is up to date to avoid any battery-related false alerts. The most recent is 4.16.1 in August 2025.